Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update PlayStation 5 system software safely, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update your PlayStation 5 system software safely, start by turning on your console. Once the console is powered on, navigate to the home screen. From the home screen, scroll up to access the top menu. Select the settings option on the right side of the menu. In the settings menu, scroll down and choose System. Next, select System Software from the options available. Now, click on System Software Update in Settings. Here, you will see if an update is available. If an update is listed, select Update System Software. You will have two options, update using the internet or update via USB. Choosing the internet option is usually the simplest method. If you opt for this method, your console will check for any available updates. If an update is found, follow the on-screen prompts to download it. Ensure that your console remains connected to the internet during this process. After the download is complete, the console will prepare the update. Once the preparation finishes, your PS5 will prompt you to install the update. Select Install to begin the installation process. Your console will restart during the update, which may take several minutes. Please do not turn off your PS5 while the update is in progress. After the installation is complete, you will be taken back to the home screen. You can verify the update by returning to the System Software section in Settings. If no updates are listed, your PS5 is now up to date. For a manual update, download the update file from the PlayStation website to a USB drive. Make sure the USB drive is formatted as FAT32. Create a folder named PS5 on the USB drive, then create a subfolder named Update. Place the downloaded update file insert the USB drive into the PS5 and turn on the console. Go back to Settings, then System, and System Software Update and Settings. Select Update System Software, followed by follow the prompts to complete the update. Once finished, your PlayStation 5 will restart, confirming the update. Now, you can enjoy your updated system with the latest features and improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.